How can he do this so often, time and time again? 5 versus 1 is not enough to stop Rain.
Goodness gracious me, Rain is an absolute monster. This guy, definitely one of the smartest and most clutch players in the game.
Just Rain left alive. He's going to find the quick kill onto Happy, but he's got Yojima to contend with. What a frag there coming in from Rain. He's going to be pushing into the bomb site. The bomb is on his back. He's got the smoke for cover, so he can make the approach to the bomb site. He does have some time as well. He's going to try to get the frag onto the flanking player. The game sense from this man is unreal. There's still 2 more players to find though. Rain, he's going to get another one, and BK goes down. He's created a 1-on-1. He's got so much time to use as well. He's going to make his way back towards the middle position. Going to try to trick his opponent right now. Apex though,
Oh my goodness gracious me, Rain is an absolute monster.
He does get tagged down. Nat Thompson relentless with his aggression. It's a double for Rain. It all comes down to one. He finds it. Rain, 1 bullet and a frag.
The spray is coming in. The damage is huge. Rain is low. He's in the corner of the bomb site, and Envious going to be fast at his heels. There's the reposition. Flashbang. Waits patiently now. There's the first 1-on-1 for Rain, looking for the headshot. Oh, he's going to find it at BK. It's just Happy left alive now. Already 3 frags for Rain. He's trying to make it 4 as that bomb ticks away. Happy goes for the peek, and Rain with a massive clutch. 4 players. What a player this guy is. One of the smartest guys in the game for sure.
Down to bomb carrier will be picked off by Rain, but it's a 3-on-1. Rain's going to be asked to do something very special, which he starts doing. That'll be his hat-trick frag. 2 headshots into Shocks and Happy. Still only those 22 points of health against a fully held Smith, who will lie in wait. Rain delivers, and he makes it. Rain frags 4 down.